The conversion rate in Amazon PPC advertising is the percentage of ad clicks that result in a purchase. So basically, how many orders you get in relation to the total clicks you receive. Now, this isn't shown in your advertising console and it's not calculated by Amazon either. So you need to do it manually yourself. But this is one of the most valuable metrics that you can track and record that will help you figure out how your ads are performing. So the conversion rate is calculated by dividing the number of ad orders you receive by the number of ad clicks and then multiplying by 100. For example, if you have one order per 8 clicks, your conversion rate would be 12.5%. So that's one order divide 8 clicks times 100 equals 12.5%. PPC orders divide clicks times 100. The conversion rate is an absolutely critical metric for evaluating the effectiveness of your ad campaign in driving actual sales, and it's arguably one of the most important metrics to track for each of your products on Amazon.